Hello, hi dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss ellipse, JEE mains and MCET type questions. Let us have a discussion. The first question: if P is a point lying on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, whose foci are s and s dash, let angle PSS dash equal to alpha, angle PS dash S equal to beta, then which of the following is not true? Here you have to underline whichever it is not true. So options are given like this. One by one option verification we will do by getting the concepts. See, listen here. This is the ellipse figure, rough diagram. Center of the ellipse. S and S dash are the foci, and P be any point on the ellipse which lies on the ellipse. Join S dash P and SB, and according to the question, angle PSS dash equal to alpha. This is alpha. Angle PS dash S equal to beta. So whenever these two are alpha beta, obviously it is gamma. No need to mention. So it represents a triangle. So in triangle PSS dash, from here to here distance we are taking as small a. From here to here distance we can take as small b. From here to here we can take as the distance c. C as well as center is also c. So from here SP is equal to small a, S dash P equal to small b, and SS dash equal to c. The perimeter of the triangle, sir, why sir we are calculating perimeter of the triangle? Before going to calculate the perimeter of the triangle, first option verification we want to go that. First option is SP plus S dash P equal to 2A if A is greater than B. We know that this is the standard result. P be any point on the ellipse, the sum of the focal distances SP and S dash P is equal to length of major axis when A is greater than B. So first option is right option. So we can consider this is the right option. Next, second option you can take SP plus S dash P equal to 2B if A is less than B here. That means whenever the figure turns 90 degrees, rotates 90 degrees, the figure will come A is less than B. Even there also, the sum of the focal distances is equal to 2B if A is less than B. Even this is also correct one. So what for option C and option D, if you see that, if you observe that, in both tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2 is there. We have to calculate the values of tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2. For that, what we are going to do is, anyway triangle PS dash PS or PSS dash, from properties of triangles, you have to calculate the perimeter. So that a perimeter 2S equal to perimeter of the triangle PSS dash, sum of the sides of the triangle only, no? 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. 2S is equal to, what is A? SP. What is B? S dash B. plus what is C? SS dash. We know that SP plus S dash P equal to 2A. So 2S is equal to 2A plus SS dash, distance between foci is equal to 2A. Distance between foci. So 2S is equal to 2A, take common 1 plus E. Don't cancel 2. We can use this value as 2S. Similarly, we can calculate tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2. So now consider tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. We know that in properties of triangles, tan A by 2, tan B by 2. That formula only I am writing. In place of alpha, beta, A comma B will be there. Angles. Square root of tan alpha by 2 means tan A by 2. Tan A by 2 formula we are writing. S minus B into S minus C divided by S into S minus A. This is regarding tan alpha by 2. Tan beta by 2. Whenever B angle will be there, square root of S minus A into S minus C divided by S into S minus B. This is the formula for tan beta by 2. So root A into root B, root A by B only. So we can write it as square root of, in this S minus C whole square will be there, S minus C whole square, S minus A into S minus B divided by S into S, S square, S minus A into S minus B. So you can cancel it, these two values. Square and root will be cancelled. You will get S minus C divided by S. This is the value of tan alpha by 2, tan beta by 2. Whether this value is equal to either C option or D option, we will verify. So, but S and C value is there, but 2S is not there. So, I want to get a 2S. Multiplying and dividing by 2 for the numerator. 2S minus 2C by 2S. 2S minus 2C divided by 2S. Multiplying and dividing. 2S value we got it here. 2C value how it will come? 2C value. What is C value? Since C is equal to SS dash, 2C is equal to 2SS dash, 2C equal to 2 into SS dash value is what? SS dash value is 2AE. So 2AE. Though ultimately 2C is equal to 4AE. So wherever 2C is there, you have to replace with 4AE. So now 2S minus 4AE divided by 2S. Now 2S value also substitute. 2S value is 2A. 2A plus, even this also we will consider, plus 2AE minus 4AE divided by 2A plus 2A plus 2AE. So which is equal to 2A minus 2AE divided by 2A plus 2AE. 2A take common from numerator and denominator. So 2A into 1 minus E divided by 2A into 1 plus E. So 2A get cancelled. We will get this value as 1 minus E by 1 plus E. Therefore, tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 is equal to 1 minus E by 1 plus E. So even third option is also correct. So which option is which of the following is not true means this is the right answer. This is not the correct option. So, but option is, this is the right option. This statement is wrong. So, this is the option is, this option is right option, but answer is not correct. I think everyone understand. See how involving the properties of triangles in the concept of ellipse. Especially these type of questions they will ask in the JEE mains. Dear students, please remember, we will move to the next question. The next question. Let Pi and P dash I be the feet of perpendiculars drawn from the foci S and S dash on a tangent Ti to an ellipse whose length of semi-major axis is 20 if sigma I is equal to 1 to 10, SPI into S dash PI, S dash PI dash equal to 2560, then the value of eccentricity of the ellipse is. It's a very conceptual question. It's a very easy question. By seeing it is looking, it is difficult, but it is very easy. See, draw the rough figure, you will get it idea. This is the ellipse figure. S and S dash are the foci. From here, we have to draw one tangent. This is the tangent Ti, ith tangent of the ellipse. Si, even Si, this is also ith foci. Draw the perpendiculars from focus to the tangent. This is Pi. Here also one other tangent perpendicular drawn from the S dash I. So Pi dash. We know that the product of feet of perpendiculars from the foci to any tangent to the ellipse is equal to B square. We know that. We have the product of perpendiculars, the product of feet of perpendiculars drawn from the foci, to any tangent to the ellipse, any tangent to the ellipse is equals to B squared. This is very, very important point. So that's what I am saying, that is according to the figure SIPI into S dash I P dash I is equal to B squared. After that, you can come to the question. Now consider sigma I is equal to 1 to 10 SP SIPI into S dash PI. Only foci, one only will be there, sorry. S and S dash. Only S and S dash. Is equal to 2560. What is the value of this one? B squared. Clearly, we got it. This is the standard result we discussed in the previous sessions. So now it will becomes I is equal to 1 to 10. This value is b square is equal to 2560. I is equal to 1 also b square, I is equal to 2 also b square, and so on. I is equal to 10 is also b square. So b square plus b square plus b square plus and so on 10 times. 10 times is equal to 2560. So b square plus b square plus b square and so on 10 times means 10b square is equal to 2560. So that implies b square is equal to 2560 divided by 10. So those get cancelled. So b square is equal to 256. So b is equal to root 256, which is equal to 16. So therefore b is equal to 16. B value we got it. B square value also we got it. And one more important information is given. Length of semi-major axis. Length of semi-major axis, and also given small a is equal to 20. Semi-major axis from here to here. Value is given as 20. So obviously a square is equal to what? 400. 20 square. After getting the values of a square and b square, clearly a is greater than b. So eccentricity E is equal to square root of a square minus b square divided by a square. This also can be written as root of a square by a square is 1 minus b square by a square. Substitute the respective values. 1 minus b square, that is 256, divided by 400. So it is equal to square root of 400 minus 256 divided by 400, which is equal to square root of 144 divided by 400, which is equal to root 144 is 12 divided by root 400 is 20. So again simplifying, 4 3s are 4 5s are, so 3 by 5. Therefore the eccentricity E equal to 3 by 5. So which is there in the third option. We will move to the next question. The next question. If the variable line y is equal to kx plus 2h is a tangent to the ellipse 2x square plus 3y square equal to 6, then the locus of p of h comma k is, a conic C whose eccentricity is E, then the value of 3 square equal to, this is one of the JEE mains question. Here remember dear students, here they mention that conic, whether it is parabola or ellipse or hyperbola, we don't know it is. They mentioned as a C is a conic. By applying the condition, which conic is going to get, we will see that. So first thing is given line, given variable line is y equal to kx plus 2h. This equation you have to compare with y is equal to mx plus c. So therefore m is equal to k and c is equal to 2h. Equation 1. Given ellipse 2x square plus 3y square is equal to 6, dividing by 6, 2 into 3, 2 3s are, plus y square by 3 1s, 3 2s are. So this you have to compare with the standard equation of ellipse. Here a square is equal to, directly we are writing 3 and b square is equal to 2. this equation 1 is tangent to equation 1 is tangent. Y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Then we have the condition. Tangent condition is what? C square equal to a square m square plus b square. This is the condition. The line y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the ellipse. So now c square, that means 2h whole square. A square, what is a square? 3. M square, k square. Plus b square. What is b? B square value is 2. So that implies 4h square. The 3k square I am taking this side, minus 3k square is equal to 2. After reaching up this step, dividing by 2, it will become 4h square by 2 minus 3k square by 2 is equal to 1. We can write it as h square by 2 by 4 minus k square by 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Here, locus of h comma k, whenever they are mentioning locus of h comma k, h value will be equal to x, k value will be equal to y. Therefore, wherever h comma k is there, you have to replace with x and y. So it will becomes x square y 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 1 by 2 minus y square divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 1. This is the conic C. Conic C. It represents, conic C represents a hyperbola. Represents a hyperbola equation. It is in the form of x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So where a square is equal to 1 by 2, b square is equal to 2 by 3. So therefore eccentricity E equal to square root of a square plus b square by a square. Now substitute the respective values. Root of a square by a square is 1 plus b square by a square. Directly you can do it like this. So E is equal to root of 1 plus, what is b square? 2 by 3 by 1 by 2. So which is equal to square root of 1 plus 2 by 3 into 2. Which is equal to square root of 1 plus 4 by 3. So E equal to square root of 3 plus 4 divided by 3, which is equal to root 7 by 3. So after that, E is equal to root 7 by 3. Now, squaring on both sides, E square is equal to 7 by 3. But the question is asking 3E square value. So cross multiply simply. So 3E square is equal to 7. Which is the required answer. 3E square value is 7. Which is there in the first option. This is the way you have to do that on these type of JEE questions. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. In the next episode, completely previous JEE mains questions we are going to discuss. Thank you all.